Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to mute sound calls on Telegram chat. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and start looking for Telegram. I'm going to double check if my Telegram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. If you want to mute all the calls and sounds on Telegram chat, what you're going to do, you will see the option under the notification and sound settings. Select calls from privacy section. This will open the voice calls, and this is only for the voice calls on the iPhone. I'm going to demonstrate how it's done. Just go back to your screen and go ahead to your settings. In your settings, scroll a little bit down until you find the Telegram app. Right, you're gonna find it if you're using iPhone. Go ahead and click on it, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the notifications and just toggle off the allow notifications. That way you will not receive calls or notification sounds on your chats on Telegram. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.